Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to disable Internet Explorer in Windows 7. At first, click on the Start menu and go to Control Panel. Click Programs. Under Programs and Features, click Turn Off On or Windows 7. Wait for few minutes while Windows completes the list. When the list appears, uncheck the box next to the folder named Internet Explorer 10. A window like this should pop up. Click Yes in this window, then click OK to apply the changes. Now wait for a few minutes while Windows applies the settings. Now try opening Internet Explorer on your computer. You will get an error message. This is how we can disable Internet Explorer in Windows 7.